Okay, listen to this little bad boy right here. I'm gonna unplug that. That thing sounds horrible. We gotta get that bad boy swapped out. Got our fresh replacement motor. Let's get it put in there. We're gonna walk around and shut off our power. So now how we get this motor out is gonna be by loosening these bolts all the way around this outer perimeter. And then we got 4 bolts that hold the flange in, and this motor will pop right out. We gotta unplug it. So let's get to it. Okay, we got all of our bolts out. This thing should just pull right out. There we go. Kinda, there we go. There's the old one. Time to throw the new one right in there. Here's the fresh brand new one. I'm gonna slap it up in there. Something like that roughly. Bolt it up. Got the fresh unit installed. Now let's kick her back on. Throw this disconnect up. Boom. And we had unplugged this, so let's plug that back in. Should fire up here. We got a time delay, so I'll get back with you in 5 minutes. Motor just kicked on. Sounds 10 times better than the old one. Now let's wait for it to fire up. You should hear a click from over here. The gas valve will get energized, and then you'll hear a poof. Still nothing. I'm betting that igniter's bad. Test this igniter, bet you that's bad. I confirmed we got 120 volts to the igniter, but no ignition. Let's shut the power down and test it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this apart, pull that apart, put our meter to continuity or ohms. Take our 2 leads. We're gonna try to ohm this out. (222 ohms. That has failed. Anything over 100 is typically bad. So let's get that changed out. Let's see how she looks. Yep, sure enough. Broken right there in the middle. Gotta get a new one. Got our fresh new igniter installed in there. Now let's kick this back on, see if it lights up. Inducer motor just kicked on. Igniter will start. Then we should hear a click on the gas valve and it should go poof. There she goes. Just kicked on. System is running good. She's been running for a little while now. Been running good. I'm gonna wrap this up, call it a day. Peace.